They don't have much idea about FOPL and things like that. So we need to sensitize the food safety commissioners and the food safety officers, all address the massive gap between the size of the food market and the regulators' capacity to supervise and manage the sector. In a country like India, to deal with such vast country, there has to be a big capacity for the regulator to monitor whether industry is following this and things like that. And the last one is on high priority, address all concerns raised in the CAG India report of the implementation of Food Safety and Standards Act 2006 conducted in 2017. Already our Comptroller and Auditor General had done a review of our food regulators' capacity that also need to be implemented. So our basic demand from this National Consumer Convention, unitedly, we are, next slide please, we are making the demand to notify the front of the pack labeling at the earliest. We should not delay any further, because even if the FSSAI decide to notify, it will take 1 year to time to that. And again, industry is asking it should be a staggered implementation. Also, we are demanding for mandatory implementation, because in a country like India, if you say it is voluntary, nobody is saying. They will say there is no consumer demand, so they won't be doing that. So we are asking for a mandatory front of the pack labeling to be notified at this early as in our country. We request the support of all consumer organizations and request you to write to FSSAI and to the Health Ministry, taking into consideration the health concern, to notify this FOPL. With this, I conclude this session and open up for discussion. Prior to that, I request Mr. Amardalal Saha. Yeah, you have a question? Or? That is a different issue. Here we are talking only about the food, packed food items.
Right, but that is not being everywhere, sir. That is very right.
Yeah.
That is also part of the price body. That there are many things that
of course, we can write separately to the ministry, because FSSAI is not responsible for that. FSSAI deal only with the standards of food in our country to regulate that. But definitely it is a serious concern. Yeah. Yeah. You want to add anything on this?
If you want to question, we will be happy to answer that.
No, we can continue the discussion. We have a full-fledged team at CUTS, Food Safety and FOPL dealing with. You can write to us and we will reach out to us. Any type of help or information is required on this, we will be happy to provide the documents and already published articles and all. And if you want to write to the FSSAI also, we can help you in drafting the letter, everything. That's why I had given the names also. We have a team at our office. Yeah. Now there is a briefing paper also. Hope all of you, Madhusudan, the briefing.
That is also
one briefing paper is there with all the references and all. You feel free to contact us, and we will be happy to provide the thing. In India also, other consumer organizations also are working. Not that we are exclusively working. 4 organizations are part of this expert group. And also the civil society organization, all of might be knowing, Center for Science and Environment. They are not a consumer organization, but a civil society organization actively taking up food safety issues and other environmental issues. They also are part of this expert group. That is the reason I said with 4 consumer organizations, we were so far able to resist the 22 people from industry. Every time we are coming with the 22 people with the legal expert, health expert, international policy expert and try to counter us, but we have reached up to this level, and we are strongly believe that we will be able to achieve this. Anybody, feel free to write to any one of us. We will be happy to provide you, even facilitate a session or things like that. We will again further discuss if it permit in the consumer convention in Bhubaneswar also in March. So if you are all agreeable, then we will release the Charter of Consumer Rights. I request Mr. Amardalal Saha and Mr. P.K. Panda, the chairperson of CCC, to come to the stage to release this. Please, Sahaji.
You want me to give
You come in the middle and then just hold it. So this Charter of Consumer Demands, we will present it on behalf of the National Consumer Convention to the FSSAI and to the Ministry of Health and Family Welfare and all the concerned things as a demand of this convention.
Since it is going to be declared to be accepted by the convention, in the last session of this
As a
convention,
resolution.
there is a way forward. So we shall try to raise this on that session. We
Yeah.
also try to remain present,
Yeah.
and it will be a democratic process. It will be accepted by the in the way forward session, and everybody can consider it, and it will be a formal resolution. In that case, definitely it can be used there in this convention by all the organizations present here and accepted. That will be a democratic process.
Yeah. Okay. Thank you. Thank you.
Chairman CCC, Mr. Panda. Chairman CCC, Mr. Panda. Am I audible?
Yes. Yes. Please carry on.
Chairman CCC, Mr. Panda. And Mr. Saha. Sir. Ladies and gentlemen, I'll be talking only for 2 minutes because we are all set for lunch now. So only major point that I want to make is that we have today come to a historic session of the CCC. It is a national convention arranged by CP Agartala, but we are into a historic